All right, everyone. I'm going to explain how do we need to do in the exercise. Okay, have you opened the file? Okay, so this is the title of the file. Let's see. It's the same basically. It's about the real life application in addition and subtraction. It's about the word problems that you have to solve. All right, so in the end of the class, this is the target of our learning. Basically, we have learned this in the Zoom. All right, next one. So this is the clue words. So if you find total in all, altogether, sum, combine, increase, add, more than, you have to add it. But if you find left, less, remaining, take away, difference, how many more, decrease, and also change, you have to subtract it. And this is step in solving word problems. First of all, if you have the word problem, you have to read the word problem, the story. First, what is asked in the problem? What are the given facts in the problem? What is the operation to be used, the operation? And then what is the number sentence? First, this is the first question. I give you bonus. The first question, we will do it together. For example, this is the story. You have to read the story. Mark is a tahu vendor. In the morning, he earned 50,000 rupiah, 50,000 rupiah. In the afternoon, he earned 30,000 rupiah, 30,000 rupiah. How much did Mark earn in total? Remember, if it's as total, so we have to add. Let's see. So this is the guiding question that help you to finding the solution. First of all, what is asked in the problem? The question is how much did Mark earn in a total? So you have to write how much did Mark in a total. You have to write it down here. What are the given fact in the problem? You have to write the fact in the problem. Okay, let me write it. Okay, so first of all, you have to write what is asked in the problem. How much did Mark earn in total? This is the question that is asked in the problem. And the given fact in the problem, so we have to see the fact in the problem. For example, this is the fact. In the morning, he earned 50,000. Okay, in the morning, how much? 50,000. And then in the afternoon, how many? How much? 30,000. This is the fact. What is the operation to be used? If we ask the total, so we have to add it. So this is addition. And then what is the number sentence? You have to write the number sentence. So if we add it, so we have to add it plus here like this. And you have to know what is the result. 50,000 added by 30,000. So it will be 80,000 rupiah. So the answer is, how much did Mark earn in a total? 80,000 rupiah in a day. All right, that's all about the subtraction and addition in a word problem. The next one, it's about the Elisa is buying a frying pan. Okay, so this is the coin. Yeah, the same one. All right. And now the third question and the fourth question. For numbers 3 and number 4, you don't need to write the guiding question. So you only write the guiding question for number 1 and number 2. Good luck for the 4th question. Okay.